Hypar name libraries help you organize and reuse spaces, furniture, and equipment across projects. You can keep a name library personal or share it with your team. To make a new namespace library, open the Library dialog under the Space button in the Add toolbar. Click the plus button, then select New Library. Name your library. Then choose whether you want it to be a personal library that only you can see or a group library to share it with your company's Hypar subscribers. To add spaces to a library, select one or more spaces in your model. Then use the capsule menu to add the selection. To access your saved spaces, open the Library dialog. Select your library and choose the spaces you want to place into the model. Hypar suggestions will include them when you place or select a space with the same name. After you add spaces to a library, you can use the Library Plus menu to show or hide a library in your project, rename it, or permanently delete it. Furniture libraries work the same way. You can create them, add items to them, and use them to place furniture and equipment into your project. If you have a lot of spaces or furniture to add, you can select all of them at once and add them to a library in one step. Named libraries help you keep your standard spaces and furniture organized, reusable, and ready for you and your teammates. Try Hypar. We can't wait to see what you build.